Hey, I'm June. How's your day going? I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are. And maybe this video can bring you some inspiration to do art today. Let's get started. Are you a cat person or a dog person? And guess who am I? Hey, are you still watching? Please give me some likes to support me to create more videos. And I also hope that my videos bring you more inspiration and motivation to do art. If you want to make friends or support my small business, please contact me or drop a comment. I will talk to you. Thanks for watching. See you again.